kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do, I keep a notebook and I do little drawings just from things in my head, little notions that I get that I think might make a painting. So I sort of do these little drawings, which really are just notes. The subject matter is things that I remember. I work a lot from the memory of childhood. When I'm starting a painting, I kind of do an outline of the image that I want, so rough sort of sketch in paint. I block in areas, and then just build up. With gouache, because it is opaque, it has a body to it, and you can layer colours on top. You can wet it, lift it off, put it down again. You get lovely effects with layering colours, surprising effects, so you don't know what's going to happen. Gouache is good because you know it's immediate. You get something down quickly. To make a painting, it can take quite a long time from the start to the end. I mean, it can take weeks sometimes. I find it hard sometimes to achieve that thing that I'm really after, that essence of what I want. Because I suppose I do sort of make these little works quite intense. So I'll have them around for quite a long time after I've finished something, just to watch and see and think, I'm happy with that. My name is Bridget Moore and I'm a painter in gouache.